So next verse is Ai Saki Madhavi Malati Mali. This is a verse we're on today, verse 8. Ai Saki Madhavi Malati. Ai Saki. They're saying, hey sister, hey Saki, you're a Saki. Hey Saki Madhavi Malati Mali, Jati Juti Nilani Shefali, Ma Gopayata Gopakulatilakam, Ma Gopayata Gopakulatilakam, Ma Gopayata Gopakulatilakam, Kritakarasam Sparsham Kila Rasikam. This one's good. really a tongue biter, whatever, tongue roller. Ma Gopayata Gopakulatilakam, Kritakarasam Sparsham Kila Rasikam. That's Prabhupada Saraswati. And that's like really, Harlem Sanskrit pronunciation. But any bus driver can appreciate the beauty of the music and the flow of the Sanskrit. Magopayata Gopakula Tilakam, Kritakarasam Sparsham Kila Rasikam, Ai Saki Madhavi Malati Mali, Jatiyuti Nilani Shefali, Ai Kalyani Tulasi Hari Charanam Mujadayate, Tom Guruva Kurunam, Kwaste Vadano Jivita Bandhu, Sakala Kalanidhi, Rati Rasa Sindhu, No Jivata Bandhu, Rati Rasa Sindhu. That's yesterday. Oh, Kalyani Tulsi, same thing. As I said, all the Rasic books are based on the Bhagavatam. So what does the verse say yesterday? Verse number 7. They were addressing Tulsi. They said, Kachit Tulsi Kalyani. Kalyani means, oh, fortunate one. So then he said, oh, this is nice. So he says, Ai Kalyani Tulsi, Rit Charanam Mujadayate. So the translation is this. Ai Kalyani Tulsi, oh, most fortunate. Hey Hari Charanam Mujadayate. O most auspicious Tulsi, beloved of the lotus feet of Hari. Please be merciful to us. Please tell us where are Jivata Bandhu, that's obvious, friend of our lives. Where is the Rati Rasa Sindhu, the ocean of sweet flowing romance? That's nice. And then that's our contribution from Prabhupada Saraswati Pada Ki Jai.